Hello, and welcome to our video where we'll be explaining the Monty Hall problem, a probability puzzle to stimulate the mind. This video was produced by Innerspark Tutors. Please visit our website if you want to find out more about us or drop us an email if you want to chat to us. Alternatively, please follow us on Twitter and on YouTube to find more interesting content. So, in the Monty Hall problem, you're on a game show and you're given the choice of opening 3 different doors. Behind one of the doors is a car, but behind the other doors are goats. Ideally, you want to win the car and not the goats. You're then given a choice of picking one of the doors, and after you pick that door, the game show host opens another door with a goat behind it. So let's say, for example, you picked one door which has a goat behind it. The game show host will then show you another door with a goat behind it. Alternatively, if you've actually picked the door with the car behind it, the game show host will still show you the door with the goat behind it. You're then given a choice of whether you want to stick with your original choice or if you actually want to switch your choice of doors. The question then is, are you more likely to win by switching or by sticking? I'll give you a moment to pause and think about this. So, the answer is actually you should switch every time. In fact, if you switch, you're twice as likely to win than if you didn't switch. And let me explain why this is. So in this probability diagram, we show all the possible options. If you pick the door at random, you've got a 1 in 3 chance of picking the car, and therefore a 2 in 3 chance or 66% chance of picking the goat. Now in the Monty Hall problem, we're given the option after the game show host reveals one goat whether we want to stick with our original choice or switch. And again, here we've sketched out all the possible options. Now let's explore what happens if we decide to switch. You can see in the scenario where we decide to switch, 2/3 of the time we'll actually win the car as opposed to 1/3 of the time picking the goat. So therefore we've got a 66% chance of winning whenever we switch. Now let's have a look at what happens when we stick with our original choice. In this case, you can see that only 1/3 of the time we win the car and 2/3 of the time we get the goat, and therefore we've only got a 33% chance of winning the car. So, are you more likely to win by switching? Yes, you should definitely switch. In fact, if you switch, you'll win 66% of the time compared to only 33% of the time if you don't switch. This is all because of the extra information that the game show host provides you with. You will always win if you pick the goat, just because of the fact that the game show host eliminates one of the other goats and therefore the only other thing remaining is the car. And if you think about it, you're twice as likely to pick the goat than the car. So, I hope you enjoyed our video on the Monty Hall problem. This video was produced by Innerspark Tutors. Please do visit our website to find out more about us or drop us an email if you want to chat to us. Or alternatively, please follow us on Twitter and YouTube to find more interesting content. Thank you.